Hello there, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the vector pass in Blender to make your renders go from this to this. Now some of you may be wondering why not just use the motion blur to get the same results, right? Well, the thing with motion blur is that you don't get precise controls, and once you have rendered it you can make any changes, but with the vector pass you have the full control over how much blur you want in your scene, and you can change it whenever you like and however you like. So here's how you can use it. Simply go to the view layers tab and enable vector, and then render an image. Once you're done with the rendering, go to the compositing tab, and here I will create a new compositing tab. I will disable this backdrop and I will split my window like this and make it the image editor, and I will go for the view node. Alright then. So this is what our vector pass looks like. Now to use it, we need to add a vector blur node. So I will press Shift A and add a vector blur node. And I will make sure that my vector goes to the speed and my image goes to the image of the vector blur. And as you can see, the effect is taking place. With the shutter, you can control how strong or weak you want the vector pass to be. And with the samples, you can control how detailed you want. Something like 32 is going to work fine.